Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage. Today we are at U-Picket trying to find a bumper for the Ram. So let's go. Look like we found one. I walked around real quick to see if I can find a sport one, but I guess this chrome one's gonna have to work. Look way better than what's on there, so we'll snatch this off and go place the old one. All right, made it back from U-Picket. Picked this up for a whopping 50 bucks. So I was hoping I found a good one. As you can see, no rust. As you can see, lots of rust on this one. So I'll try to find a sport bumper. What this is a Ram Sport, but this is the cleanest one I could find. So I was gonna paint it, but this one's so clean, I'm just gonna leave it chrome. We're gonna rock chrome bumper. It looks good, so you can't beat that 50 bucks. And at the U-Picket or Picking Pools or wherever you at, they're gonna charge you $5 for a core. So if you want, you can take this one off, but I'm about to show you how to take it off. All right, as you see, this is the driver's side. It's gonna be those 3 bolts right there, 1, 2, 3, and then it's gonna be 18. And then you're gonna want to put a wrench on the opposite side of this to hold them, because it's gonna spin. But I'm gonna use my electric impact. As you see, I just went ahead and, well, I already broke the passenger side loose to see what tools I needed before I went to U-Picket. But I pulled the 2 out in the back. I put the 1 back right here and just screwed the nut on a little bit until I get to the other side, just so this bumper don't fall off. Just to hold it, so when I break it loose the other side. So that's what I would do if you're doing this by yourself. And of course, everything doesn't go as planned. The last bolt decided to round off, so that's good old vice grips come in. She's ready to come off now. Oh yeah, she hadn't seen better days. Woo. Shit. I'm gonna put that pristine baby on there. All right, to make life a lot easier, I just had my wife come out there and hold it up there real quick while I started the bolts. And so then I took my wrench and I stuck it, I don't know if you can see right here, if I can point, zoom in on that first bolt. I held that in with this, with the nut, with this. And then I took this side with my impact and went underneath here and just held it up like this, just so you can get it straight, and then tighten that bolt. I used my knee and I stuck my hand right here with the wrench and then went underneath with the impact and tightened it while I pushed up until it was straight. And you can see it's pretty much lined up. I'm gonna go do the same on the opposite side. I mean, it's a lot easier if you got, like I said, 2 people. You can have someone just hold this up while you hold, or get underneath and hold that side while you tighten it, just so you can get it straight, just to get it started. But I ended up just doing that by myself. And there you have it. She's on there. 3 bolts on each side. Ooh-wee. Got the old work truck looking good. Look at her. I'm gonna hit you with the slow-mos. And here's a quick tip for you guys. I forgot to show you on the bumper. You see how this is all faded? You can just take a torch. It don't have to be this big. It can be a little pen torch. And just barely go over it like this. And see how it comes back to black? But just, you don't want to stay in the same spot. You burn a hole in there. But it's a nice little quick tip. Figured that'll help. So that's gonna do it, guys. It wasn't too bad of a job. Like I said, if you got extra hand, like I said, my wife helped me on getting the bumper lined up, and then I just go ahead and straighten it up myself. But anything was better when it was on there. So that's so. I hope you liked this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any questions about putting a bumper on, I can definitely help you out in the comments. Tried to be much as detailed as possible. So until then, we're gonna go ahead and start working on fixing up the Dodge. So see you on the next one. Peace.